Hi, I'm Roamy. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Ergobaby Embrace carrier to carry a newborn. So here I've got the Ergobaby Embrace. Now there are two different ways you can put this on. The first way is starting with the Ergobaby label facing in towards you, and you're going to put the waistband on high up like this. Bring the strap around and clip it together. And then swivel it around, and you want it sitting as tight as a belt, so snug but not uncomfortably. So check that it's sitting centrally on you, and then pick up your baby. Hold your baby with their head on your upper chest, and their little arms will be like this. Now their legs will generally be tucked up at hip width when they're a newborn, so we're going to keep them in that position. Gently bring the fabric between baby's legs and slide your hand up over their bottom and back so you're holding them with the material. Bring one strap and put it over one shoulder, and then put the other strap over the other shoulder, like this. Now you're going to reach round with one hand and take the strap on the opposite side. Bring it straight down to hold baby snug against you, then bring it across and clip it in. So you can hold the clip with the hand that's holding baby, and the other one goes in like that. Then you tighten it up by pulling this straight back. Now hold baby with the other hand and repeat for the other strap. So reach around, take hold of the strap and pull it straight down to hold baby secure. Bring it around and clip it in at the side. Then put it straight backwards to tighten it up. Now the most important thing with any baby carrier is you can see baby's face and they've got clear airways. You also want to check for held as tightly as holding them in your arms so that they can't slump. So a nice easy way to check that is to rest your hand on the back of their head and just gently lean forwards, and their body shouldn't pull away from you. If they are a little bit loose, you can tighten the fabric up just by pulling on these. Have a little check of their position. Ideally you want their knees higher than their bottom, with their knees at hip width apart. If you take your hands and just take hold of their thighs like that, you can give a little tilt if you need to, just to bring their legs up into that position. Height wise, ideally you want the top edge of the carrier no higher than the nape of baby's neck to ensure they have clear air circulation. These straps can be spread out over your shoulders, like so, to spread the weight. So that's essentially it for using the Ergobaby Embrace. Now if baby is a little bit smaller, there is another way you can use the carrier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take baby out and I'm going to show you the second way. So to take baby out, we're just going to reverse what we did before. Unclip the clip on one side and unclip it on the other. Then bring the straps gently over one shoulder and over the other, and then you can lift baby out. So the second method of using the carrier is where we're going to roll the waistband. So instead of clipping it on like this, we're going to just roll over the material twice like that. Okay, so I just rolled it over twice. Keep the carrier the same way around, and this time I'm going to put it on my waist rather than higher up. So clip it round like this and tighten it up. Now by rolling it, what that's done is it's shortened the panel height so that it won't be so tall on baby, and it's also narrowed down the width. So make sure that's nice and snug, and then pick up your baby. Again, hold your baby with their head on your upper chest, and we're going to just ease that fabric up between baby's legs over their bottom and back, like this. Okay. One strap's going to go over one shoulder, and the other strap is going to go over the other. Now you're going to reach round, take hold of the strap with the opposite hand, put it straight down and round. And you find the clip and clip the strap in, and then tighten it by pulling it backwards. I'm going to do exactly the same with the other side. So reach round, bring the fabric straight down and around, and you find the clip and clip this in. Okay, same checks as before. You want to check that baby's got nice clear airways, you can see their face, and you want to check they're held as tightly as holding them in your arms. So again, if you rest a hand on the back of their head, gently lean forwards and just check their body doesn't pull away. Check the carriers no higher than the nape of their neck. Now this baby is a little bit big for it in this position, but if baby was a bit smaller, you'd have the fabric up to the nape of their neck, so they're held nice and secure, but they've still got clear airways. So use whichever position is appropriate for your size of baby. So we've done all our checks. Check that their knees are hip width apart, and if you need to, give the little pelvic tuck to bring their bottom around and curve them so they're in a little bit more of a curved position. The fabric again can be spread out over your shoulders, and that is how to use the Ergobaby Embrace with a newborn. So to take baby out, again we're going to just unclip one side, unclip the other, bring the carrier over each shoulder, and then lift baby out. I hope that's been helpful.